What's going on, everybody? It is Hatch chili season, so we're going to make a Hatch chili mayo that's perfect for your street corn. Let's get started. All right, folks, it is Hatch chili season, late July into early September. I love when we get those Hatch chilies fresh out of New Mexico. Just a special type of pepper. You got that earthy tone to it, not too hot, like that mild taste, but great this time of year. So what I did earlier is I took 2 of these Hatch chilies. I roasted them, pulled that skin off, and chopped them up, diced something really nice and fine here. So we're going to use some of those Hatch chilies for this Hatch chili mayo that we're going to put on some street corn later on this evening. So let me show you how to make that Hatch chili mayo right now. In case you ever make a street corn at home, maybe you're making that street corn on your grill, maybe you're making it on your Blackstone, maybe you're smoking those ears of corn and just want to have something to rub on afterwards. This is the perfect way to do it. So let me show you how to do this. So we're going to take what would be about a cup of mayonnaise here, and we'll go ahead and put that right here in the middle of my bowl. All right, my friends, so there's my mayo there. So sorry that I'm using the Hellmann's. I know some of you are Duke's fans. I would actually prefer to use, I like an avocado mayo typically lately too, but I'm just out of it. So this is what I had, this is what I'm using. So I got those roasted Hatch chilies. Like I said, I used 2 Hatch chilies that I roasted, and I pulled those skins off and then chopped them up nice and fine. So we'll add on that in as well. Got 1 clove of garlic that I minced up really fine as well. So that's a fresh clove of garlic. And then what we're going to take a little bit of lime here. Fresh lime. We're going to squeeze just a little bit over the top. Oh yeah, we'll save that other half of that lime for later on when we get that corn going, and we're going to mix all that together. And since it's mayo based, my friends, what we're going to do is once I get it mixed up, I'm going to throw a lid on this, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. So once I take it inside, just to keep it cold in that refrigerator until it's time to spread it or use it on that street corn. All right, my friends, so that is how easy that is. Just a couple of ingredients: the mayo, roasted Hatch chilies, 1 clove of garlic, and a little bit of fresh lime juice. That's all it takes. Now, when you're making street corn at home, you're probably going to make that street corn where it's got a good oil, a little butter to it. I've got my corn, actually, what I do for me is I'm smoking some ears of corn I had soaking in water earlier. And then what I did was I pulled that corn, the stalks back a little bit, got some of that messiness out of there, rubbed it in butter, a little bit of seasoning, threw it back on the smoker, so let it smoke a little bit. And I'm going to take my knife here soon. I'm going to shave off those kernels of corn and put them on my Blackstone, and I'm going to basically fry them up with some fresh bacon, and we'll put this right across the top. Once again, this is a great sauce for you to use however you want on your street corn. Maybe you're just making those full ears of corn and you just want something to spread across, and then obviously maybe add a little more like ancho chili powder, some seasoning across the top of that as well. But this is that great base, my friends. Hopefully you guys enjoy this quick and easy recipe. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys again on Bones and Brews.